Well, good morning, everybody. Madam Roy back again. Guess what? We are in storm mode again. Yeah, we had some pretty significant snowfall last night. As you can see, the yard is covered. Road is still completely covered. Doesn't look like hardly anybody's been through here. And what we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and measure this snow. So I can get down here safely. Whoa. It's hard walking through this. We've had a lot of snow drifts, unfortunately. Oh, this is deep. It's like we have... Can't measure it there. Looks like we have just about 7.5, 8 inches of snow here. Wow, that's actually less than I expected, but as you can see, it feels really, really deep. Look at that, trying to get off the porch is ridiculous. Woo! Alright, so that's it for now. If we decide to go out, I'll go ahead and add a driving video to this. Talk to you later.